Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Here I want to discuss with you about explanation text. In explanation text, before we discuss it, so you can see there is a picture here. So can you guess what kinds of picture here? Yeah, this is kinds of storms. And what do you think about the next picture? The next picture is about tsunami. Do you want to know about the process of storm and also tsunami happened? Here, if you want to know about the process of natural phenomena, so you can learn about explanation text. What is explanation text? Explanation text is a text which tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. Explanation text is to say why and how of the forming of the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. In explanation text, we know about social function, because if we want to use explanation text, we want to learn explanation text, we must know what is the social function of explanation text. First is tells processes relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. And then the second social function is to explain how or why something happens. What do you think about the generic structures? Now, here below the generic structure, you can see there is a pictures showing about the process. This process here make the text is different to others, telling us about the process relating to natural phenomena. This is explanation text. The generic structure are first, general statement, sequence of explanations, and the last one is closing. And if we want to ask about what is general statement here? In general statement, we discuss about stating the phenomenon, issues which are to be explained, and what are in sequence of explanation. In sequence of explanation is stating a series of steps which explain the phenomenon. And also, what is the part of closing? Closing here, the stating short review of what phenomena are. At least that mentioning about what we tell, what we explained as the closing. Then the next. Here I give you an example of the text. I show you a text here with the title How Tsunami Happened. Tsunami is also including natural phenomena. The text here, I want to have reading the text here. The term of tsunami comes from the Japanese, which means harbor or shu, or wave or nami. A tsunami is a series of waves generated when water in a lake or a sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. A tsunami can be generated when the sea floor abruptly deforms and vertically displaces the overlying water. Such large vertical movements of the Earth's crust can occur at place boundaries. Subduction of earthquakes are particularly effective in generating tsunami and occur where denser oceanic plates slip under continental plates. As the displaced water mass moves under the influence of gravity to regain its equilibrium, it radiates across the ocean like ripples on a pond. Tsunami always bring great damage. Most of the damage is caused by the huge mass of water behind the initial wave front as the height of the sea keeps rising fast and floods powerfully into the coastal area. In this text here, we want to find the part or generic structure of the text. Here in paragraph 1, from the words, the term blah 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 until massive scale, if we try to find the generic structure, this part is including of general statement. And then in the next paragraph, here is from words tsunami until like ripples on a pond. In this part is kinds of sequences or the process of the events. And also at the last one, tsunami always bring great damage until coastal area. This is the part of the closing. And then if we want to find the language feature here, I put some different colors here, can show about some language features like simple present tense, passive voice, noun phrases, action verbs, technical terms. Here I have the green one. The term of tsunami comes from the Japanese, which means harbor, shu, and wave nami. Here I give green, or I color green here. It shows the tense of simple present tense. Why? Because we can see from the verb comes with adding s, so mean that the word is in the first form of verb. And then I also have more again in the third paragraph. Tsunami always brings great damage. This is also simple present tense. And the red one, a tsunami can be generated when the seafloor abruptly deforms and vertically displaces the overlying water, is kinds of passive voice, because we can see from the underline and the bold type of words here, using can followed by be and generated in the third form is the form of passive voice. And now I also have some words with bold and underlined with the color is black. Example here is a series of waves generated. A series of waves generated. Yeah, I focus on the words a series of waves. A series of waves. This is kinds of noun phrase. And here I also read using is and generated. This is using passive voice in simple present tense because using subject is. And here I also have the purple one here, like a massive scale, and then such large vertical movement of the earth's crust, and then the next subduction of earthquakes, and then next the huge mass of water, and also the heat of the sea. They are kinds of noun phrases. Why we can call it this is noun phrases? Because like the words a massive scale, scale here is a noun and massive is adjective. Massive here is a modifier of the word scale, and a here is article. This is including the modifier of the word scale. So a massive scale is kinds of noun phrase. And here we can find some active verbs. What are the active verbs here? So let's see. Yeah, like the word generated. This is including about action verb. And then the technical term here, like the word tsunami. Tsunami is including technical term. Okay, here I want to highlight any more about the language feature of explanation text. First, using of simple present tense. Nah, perhatikan bentuk present tense pada teks berikut ini. Here I give simple text and then you can see the different color. I give the green one here like it is. And also you can look here. Rain provides. Verb 1 adding s. And also however, how does rain happen? How and happen. Does and happen. This is in the first form. So it shows simple present tense. And now the next, the using of action verb. In action verb here, I can show you with a different color here. Heating and condenses and grow. This is about action verb. Okay, then let's get the next. The use of passive voice. Passive voice here, I also give the different color, the green one. It is called rain. Is called. This is called virga. And then which is often seen. Is called, and is often seen. Is called here verb 3, and also is seen verb 3. So this is the form of passive voice. And now let's get the next, the use of noun phrases. Look at the different color, the green one here. Fresh water, diverse ecosystem, hydroelectric power, crop irrigation. They are noun phrases. Why I say noun phrase? Because fresh water, water is the noun here, the main word. And also the use of technical term like hydroelectric, virga. Okay. They are some technical terms. Okay. Now we are until the assignment. In the assignment, I hope that you can try again to analyze the explanation text. Look at the assignment here. Please find more explanation text and try to analyze the generic structure and language features. I hope you can do it, but if you forget, you can try to play again my video. Okay, I think that's all, and I say thanks. Yeah, do you have any question? If you have, please try to write in the comments, and I want to have more video to explain what are some questions you have. Thank you.